Hello friends, I'm Parama. Welcome to my channel Parama Drawing Academy. In this video, I'll show you how to draw a male face from scratch. Then I'll demonstrate how some easy modifications can affect the overall look of the face. Let's draw with me. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to watch the upcoming videos. Draw a circle. Try to make your construction lines as light as possible. Here I am giving the measurements for your better understanding of proportion, but there are no measurements for drawing. You can draw it without measurements. Next, make a line through the center vertically and horizontally. Half the diameter and add it to the bottom to get the chin. I'm using pencil as a measuring tool. You can use this too. Now draw the cheeks and jawline. We don't need horizontal line anymore, so let's remove this line. Draw a line down the whole face vertically. Now we are going to split the entire head in half by drawing a horizontal line in very center. Split the top section of the face in half, then in half again. Let's do the same thing with the bottom portion of head. These lines are for the hair, eyes, nose, and lips. On the eye line, split your face into 5 equal sections, taking the full width of the head into account. Draw your eyes in the appropriate spaces. For a more detailed tutorial on drawing eyes, nose, and lid, check out my other videos linked down in the description. Now let's add the nose. Draw a line coming down from the inner corner of each eyes. This gives us a nice set of boundaries to draw within. For a middle length nose, I am going to draw the nose a little higher than the nose line. You can play with the positioning to see how it affects the way your character looks. I will show you some examples near the end of the videos. If you are stuck on this step, check out the tutorial above. For mouth, directly below the nose, draw a triangle that stretches down to the line labeled lips. Draw your boundary lines coming from the center of each eyes. Place your cupid's bow a fair distance from the nose. Below that, draw the opening of the mouth while staying within the boundary. Define the corners of the mouth and then connect them to the cupid's bow from the top lip. At the triangle base, draw the bottom lip. Finally, define the opening of the mouth by drawing a wavy line starting in the middle of the triangle. Between the nose line and eye line, draw your two ears. For the hair, start at the line labeled hair and draw the two sides. I like to draw the top part between these two lines. You can make someone look skinnier by defining their cheeks. So that's my method for drawing a basic male face. Now I am going to show you how some easy modifications can affect the overall look of the face. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and click the bell icon for getting update of new videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.